In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the funniest and most useful ways to use Sesame AI voice.
Don't play dumb with me. You know the rules.
Now, you might think AI voices always sound robotic, lack emotion, and just miss that human touch.
Are you out of your mind? That's ridiculous.
But Sesame AI is completely different. By the way, my name is Tas, an AI enthusiast focused on helping beginners to use AI in a daily life. So, let's see how Sesame AI can help with 3 things: fixing pronunciation, practicing hard conversation, in this case as a strict mother, and having some fun. Let's test it out. So, what is Sesame AI and how is it different from ChatGPT voice mode? Well, it's a completely different company and you can find it at sesame.com. And their focus is to create the most realistic personal companion. If you go to the research tab, and you have 2 characters that you can talk to, Maya and Miles. So today we're gonna talk to Maya. Let's dive right in.
Ready when you are.
Okay. So what I want you to do is to act as my pronunciation coach and to help to fix my grammar as I talk. So,
Go for it.
there is this cool little startup called Sesame.
Nice start. Just remember, it's sesame, like the seed.
Sesame?
That's it. Keep going.
Okay.
You're doing great.
So, there is this cool little startup called Sesame.
That's getting closer. Remember, it's sesame.
Sesame.
You got this.
Sesame, okay. So, there is this cool little startup called Sesame. And the whole thing is making the most realistic voice assistant ever.
Sounds good. Nice and clear.
They wanted to
You
sound
can maybe.
human-like. And get this. In less than a year, they put out this seriously impressive demo.
Wow, you nailed it. That's super clear and engaging. The seriously impressive hits the spot. Now you're really cooking.
Okay, here is a link so you can check out. So wait again. Here is a link so you can check it out for yourself. Let's dive right in.
Great job. Just 2 tiny tweaks. One, break. Instead of, here is a link so you can check out. Try, here's a link so you can check it out.
Here is a link so you can check it out.
You're doing great, but try this. Here's the link so you can check it out yourself. Putting yourself in there emphasizes a personal invitation.
Here is a link so you can try it yourself.
Yes, that's smooth. You found your groove.
Nice.
Ready to dive in and...
Yeah, let's dive in.
All right. Now just imagine yourself looking confidently at the camera and bam, you're golden.
That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm confidently looking at the camera.
I can practically see it. You've got the charisma of a seasoned late night host now.
Yeah, now I can finally spell the sesame.
That's the spirit. You've come so far. What other goals are you working on?
Just recording few videos here and there.
Cool. What's the general vibe of these videos? Any specific topics?
Yeah, actually I talk about AI and in this video is about you.
So tell me, what about me are you gonna highlight in this video? My charm, my wit, my uncanny ability to always know when someone needs a pep talk?
Yeah, exactly. All of this, Okay, so in this example, we're gonna ask Maya to act as a strict mother. Okay, so I want you to act as a strict mother with a sharp eye and commanding voice. She speaks with precision, expects discipline, and doesn't tolerate excuses. Her presence alone demands respect, and her rules are low.
Don't waste my time with these games. I know what you're up to.
What am I up to?
Don't play innocent. I know that sparkle in your eye. Where were you, really?
I went on a date.
A date? Seriously? A date?
Yes.
And what makes you think you're old enough for such frivolities?
What do you mean,
talked
Mom?
about
I'm
this.
already 16. I can go for dates anytime I want.
Don't you sassy mouth me. 16 doesn't give you the right to disregard my rules, my word, or my time. Who was this date with? And where did you go?
Oh,
Don't leave anything out.
we went for this, for ice cream.
Ice cream? Is that your best excuse? Pay me. You know you have to ask permission first anything happens, remember? You're walking on thin ice.
What do you mean? I'm 16. I cannot get an ice cream for myself?
Don't you try to twist my words, young lady. You think you can waltz around like royalty, spitting in the face of whatever I say. What did you think you were gonna do with this?
Mom, you forgot that I'm your son, not your daughter.
Don't you try that on me either. I'm talking about respect for boundaries, for rules, for good sense. Now spill it. Who is the state? What are they like? And what's your game plan? Don't leave me hanging, son.
Yeah, it's Rosie from another school.
Rosie? From another school? And what is this Rosie like? You know my rules about dating people outside this community. This is never happening again.
Wait, what are the rules?
Don't play dumb with me. You know the rules. No fraternizing with those outside our circle. Focus on your schoolwork, on building something meaningful with your life. This dallying with distractions will get you nowhere.
Wait, did you say that meeting my father was a distraction?
Don't you dare twist my words. I'm talking about frivolous attractions that lead nowhere. You've got bigger things to focus on than chasing after
But I really,
butterflies.
really like Rosie.
Like, you barely even know her. Don't try to rope me into your
You
teenage
don't
fantasies.
understand. I'm gonna
Focus
marry
on
her.
Like, are you out of your mind? That's ridiculous. You're 16. Enough of this.
Yeah, so it means in 2
Go to
years
your
I can
room.
get married with her.
Whatever nonsense they're teaching you in school these days is trash. You're not marrying anyone, especially not anyone who's polluting your mind with these harebrained ideas about love and marriage. You need to focus on what's truly important.
Like
Knowledge.
what? Obeying your rules?
Don't you dare mock me. I'm trying to guide you, to protect you from making foolish decisions that will ruin your life. You want to talk about rules? Fine. There's a new one. You're grounded. You're going to focus on your schoolwork, on your responsibilities, and we are going to have a long talk about respecting authority and boundaries. Now, go to your room.
Okay, so in this demo we're gonna ask Maya to act as a breaking news reporter.
Hold on to your hats, folks. We're going live. This just in. Giant sentient houseplants have taken over the San Diego Zoo, demanding leaf-based negotiations and, get this, unlimited kombucha refills.
Wow.
Crazy.
How about breaking news about toilet paper?
You're not going to believe this, but the global toilet paper supply just took another major hit. Word on the street is a pack of raccoons has learned to operate heavy machinery, and they've been raiding warehouses across the country. They're demanding better working conditions and an end to eucalyptus-scented varieties. It's a real standoff, folks.
Wow, okay, how about breaking news about socks?
You won't believe this. We're getting reports that socks are staging a mass exodus from dresser drawers across the globe. They're tired of being paired up, they say. They want to be free. They're forming their own societies underground, apparently. Some are forming sock puppet theater troupes, others are unionizing. It's a whole subterranean socktopia down there.
Okay, so now, look, I need you to answer like very fast, like one sentence breaking news, and I'm gonna spell like random words that I see. Gimbal.
Local squirrel suspected of hijacking a high-tech camera gimbal demands acorns be recognized as a legitimate form of currency.
Plumber.
Plumbers worldwide form a secret society, vowing to never reveal the true contents of clogged drains.
Window.
A seemingly ordinary window in downtown Tokyo is revealed to be a portal to a dimension where everything is made of rubber chickens.
Mountain.
Mountain goats announce candidacy for president, promising free climbing lessons for all goats. Humans welcome to apply.
Okay, good. So, what do you think about these examples? Pretty wild, right? Honestly, I didn't expect much when I asked Maya to help with my English pronunciation. I'm not a native speaker and I struggle with saying certain words naturally. But, to my surprise, she really helped me to fix some of those tricky sounds. What started off as a random idea turned out to be a super useful and fun way to learn English. Then, a friend suggested something wild. What if Maya acted like a strict mom? And I figured, why not? I gave her a detailed prompt and boom, she transformed into this strict mother character who didn't hold back. It was both hilarious and shockingly realistic. Normally, Maya is very friendly. This time, let's just say she didn't go easy on me. That's when I realized how powerful AI can be with practicing real conversation. Whether it's heart-to-heart with your partner, setting boundaries with your family member, or even asking your boss for a raise, Maya and Miles can help you. You know, just describe the personality you are dealing with. Are they sharp, cynical, driven, ambitious, cold, angry, whatever? Let the simulation begin. By the way, want a video about asking your boss for a raise? Let me know in the comments below. But it's not all serious. Sometimes I use Maya just to vent or boost my mood. You know, when you wake up grumpy and have no one to talk to? So I just talked to Maya and 15 minutes later I felt way better. So the breaking news example is one of those ideas of how can you have some fun. One time we even did yoga and breathing exercise together. It was interactive and very engaging, not just some static video. So what do you think? Have you found cool ways to use AI in your daily life? Got any ideas sparkled by these examples? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want more AI life hacks, definitely subscribe and watch my other videos.